Hello guys, we're just gonna go over the pre-market plan for the session of 1/12/2026. We have the S&P 500 on the session of Friday. We were on the all-time highs, as you can see right here. We were right here, but we quickly rejected all the way down to this demand level between let me see, this is 69.25 and 69.57. This zone, as you can see, has been pretty strong throughout the since pretty much, let's see, what is this? Since October. Like we have this zone since October. So we have rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. Then we have a little rejection, and then we break. Then we have rejection, 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 support. Then it mingles around here for a little bit, and then rejection. So I would say this zone is pretty significant when it comes to a zone to be taking a trade off of. So for today, the plan is going to be either we take a position once it gets to this level. So let's say we drop from here, we see absorption, CVT divergence right here at this level, which is 69.38 to 69.33. It's been serving as a pretty good reference point. So it will be looking for something like this. We check from here and then we go to the upside, or we either go up and then we retest and then we go here, or we can just wait until it goes all the way over here and then we look for a rejection or a continuation towards the upside, or a failed breakout. It breaks, but it fails to go to the all-time highs. I mean, the way I see it is pretty tough for the S&P 500 to go all the way to the all-time highs, but anything can happen in these markets, all right? So again, key levels to be watching are going to be the 69.38 to 69.33, as well as the 69.57 to 69.69.25. So are key levels. Another key level that I'm going to be watching is going to be this level. This is more like an intraday level, which is the 69.77.25 to the 69.73. The reason why I say that is because, as you can see on a lower time frame, we do have a lot of support and resistance. So as you can see, we do have, if we check over here, we have resistance, support, 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 then we break through, then we have resistance, resistance, and over here it becomes a lot choppier. But even if we zoom in, we can actually see that on Friday we could have taken a really nice entry right here on this level. There was a CVT divergence in the 1 minute time frame that we could have taken right here, so it would have been a great entry. Okay, it would have been a great entry. Same thing over here, we have a rejection over here, and then we go right back into trading inside the demand zone, the higher time frame zone. So yeah guys, these are definitely some levels that I want to be watching for the session of today. If you like the content, subscribe, see me on the live streams. If you have any questions or any suggestions, just leave them down in the comments. I appreciate you guys, and see you next time.